most of the ride that we did last time on 10 horsepower. Oh, that's a bit of a interesting little detour we gotta take here. Here we go, off for another ride, another spring dirt bike trip here. Heading out with a good group today. It's probably going to be hard enduro day from the sounds of it. Sounds like everybody's came to party today, so should be fun. Not gonna lie, a little bit dusty today. It's a little drier than we've seen so far, but yeah, it should be good. We'll have to spread out a little bit once we get into the hard stuff. Dust won't be a factor. Just on this little ridge here for a bit until we get into the kind of hard enduro area out here, so it should be awesome. Now we're into a little bit of moisture, which is nice. You can actually follow and see it. Following Mike and Kevin, they're ripping. Get the hands warmed up this morning. Get the heart warmed up too, that's the key. Lots of traffic in this lower area here. Lots of choppy bumps. Probably the fastest we'll go all day. just gets chunky for a while now. It's like all these little, like softball marbly rocks. Trail is changing as you go. Nice. That's yeah. Chunky and loose. I wasn't lined up for it, but I was like, I'm going for it anyway. Riding behind the Stark Bar DX again here. Doing his best to conserve battery. We are not very far in and he's already at 88%. But the thing rides well and works well. I want to ride it, but we can't do test rides on it when it barely makes it through the day for battery life. But it's pretty cool. He says it works pretty well and he's coming off a KTM, so he knows. It's the same today, but he was riding this thing most of the ride that we did last time on 10 horsepower out of 80, trying to conserve battery, and it got everywhere it needed to go. kind of nuts. But it really shows you just how little power you're actually using, but what these bikes make most of the time. Fun trail. Good little techie loop here. Oh, just beautiful trail conditions right now. Weather report, I don't know, 50 degrees-ish. A little chilly. Randy's trying to kill me with a rock. But it's definitely going to warm up a bit today. Still that nice spring weather. Oh, even some mud. This kind of lower little valley always stays wet, it seems like. Couple little soupy holes in the bottom. Overall, beautiful day for it. It's always a beautiful day for dirt bikes. I ain't kidding you. Yeah? Trail yet this year. I don't really remember it. But there's a few sporty sections, I think. Some gnarly step-ups here, if I remember right. Oh, that's a bit of a interesting little detour we gotta take here. Got to make sure you make that turn. remember this now?
I thought you used to get your pegs caught there, and I was always going up this way, but...
Yeah, it's open now. Well, unfortunately, we got these, holy... Oh, that was a bad line. I'm chickening out. I saw Kevin drop it, and I was like, nah, I'm a wimp. Saying unfortunately the start still got its tubes, factory tubes in the tire, and unfortunately got a pinch flat, so we're limping her home now. So those guys are gonna take off kind of back to the camp. We're gonna continue on. Unfortunately it happens. It's happened to me many times where I was like, oh yeah, I'll put a bib in. Never got to it.